You might want something else.
This.
Or tart flambe. That's Coke Zero. Second one. I will have Coke.
Not the pizza rind and then cherry Coke.
No Alsatian wine for you?
What?
No Alsatian wine for you?
No.
No, me either.
I think that on the door there it said 1660. This building. 1606.
I don't know if the prices are good. There's not.
Is that the bridge she said? There's only 360 degrees of shops. These roofs are neat. Slate and moss. I don't think they invented stereotypes up there. These bridges seem lower.
Design anywhere.
What is it? Oh, Lebanese. Keep going down. Getting away from.
It's closed. I think that's what put by your souvenir this area. Kind of a bummer. We dodged Carnival in Cologne, but we.
Is this one for? Hundreds of years in the making.
You said hundreds.
Well, it's not like this was a surprise holiday.
No, I just didn't.
This is the shiny barrels.
A lot of the.
Grapevine. We didn't eat there.
I need to find it. We walked by.
Plaza.
There's.
Gutenberg Plaza. I think it's right here. Do you need a bathroom? No. You have a French Starbucks. I want the other Starbucks.
Same across the
These dogs. Huge. Horses in town.
Here, so they had some things.
It's right there. What? There's a cafe here. No. Get those gigantic muffins. Back up this way then, maybe.
It takes us that long to get our bearings.
We can go that way. Since we went this way to the cathedral, we can go back that way. Do you want to break that 50?
On est arrivé là-bas, il faisait une canicule.
Hello. Did you eat yet?
No. Have you?
Yeah.
Where'd you eat?
A little. Gamble, just guess.
Good to see you. Are you leaving now?
No, we're